Wow. Hey, it's Bob, trail name Home Bear, and it's day one of the Appalachian Trail. But as you'll see, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm doing it on the AT. Stay tuned. All right, on the trail next to the right now raging Potomac River. I'm about half mile outside of Harper's Ferry. The rain's just slowed down enough where I can pull out my camera and say howdy do and welcome to Home Bear's AT flip-flop Thruhike 2024 adventure. Just some of the scenery I've seen so far, and I don't know what they said, what they were talking about when they said the Appalachian Trail was difficult. I mean, it's this paved path. If it's like this the whole way to Maine, this is going to be easy. I'll be done in a month. I mean, this isn't hard. I don't know what people were talking about. It is like this the whole way, right? Right? Well, yeah, I'll just assume it is. So, okay. I just wanted to say hi before we got too deep into day one. Day one. This is day one of what's going to be probably a couple 100 days. But day one, starting out wet and cold. So, like I said earlier, I probably wouldn't have it any other way. Which means that the next nice day, I'll appreciate more. So, I told you there was going to be whining and crying and bitching. Well, I'm wet and cold. So, there we go. Now, I promise I won't do this like I did every mile marker when I did the LHHT. But I did want to show you my first, well, it's not my first one, but it's the first one I can show you on camera. But this is a white blaze. And this is how I know I'm on track. And I just followed this one to the next one and to the next one. And that'll take me all the way to Maine and then all the way eventually to Georgia. So, as long as I'm seeing white blazes, then I know I'm on the right path. And it's the first one I've seen in a while, so I was actually starting to get nervous that I missed a turn or something like that. I gotta be honest, I was surprised how hard the anxiety hit me last night. I was pretty calm when we were packing things up and getting things ready and on the drive down. And I was excited when I got registered yesterday. But last night at dinner, I think the full impact, I actually had time to sit down, because the past couple days before that, all my meals were on the fly because we were getting stuff ready. And that's the first time I've actually sat down across from my wife and had a meal. And I don't know what that was about that, but my anxiety just started, and it took a couple hours and some pharmaceutical assistance for my nerves to calm down. But I did get a great night's sleep last night. Got up early this morning, but the rain was just heavy downpours, heavy downpours, and it was just hard to get my butt into gear. So I late start, but finally I got out here just a little bit after 9. I really planned on starting it. Well, 6 became unrealistic. That's what I had on my website, but with my eyesight deteriorating the way it is, there is no hitting a trail at 6. So then I didn't change my sight, but I changed my mind if I was going to start at 8, and that turned into 9. So, but I'm out here. I got about 6 miles today, and looking at this trail, it'll take me about an hour and a half to do that. I mean, it's just, I know the trail's not this easy, and I'm pretty sure I hit an uphill pretty soon, but I'll enjoy it while I can. And then 6 miles to the shelter or camping area where I'll be staying tonight, and that's where we're at. For those of you just joining me, I got registered yesterday, and my base pack weight was 19 pounds, which, like I mentioned yesterday, for me that's fantastic. Going from the first time I ever went backpacking, carrying well over 60 pounds on my back. I kid you not, I was a young, strong bull back then. We took everything to 19 pounds plus water and food. I'm really proud of that number. So, feeling good. And now I'm just rambling on. So, I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Just stopped for a breather here on this here log, and just had Slide roll past me. I've heard of him before on somebody's update channel, so he's now ahead of me, and will probably stay ahead of me. But it was nice to meet you, Slide roll. Apparently we're gonna meet up at the shelter, so I gotta check here, but I think the shelter's about a mile up the road here. So I just wanted to check in on a break and document meeting Slide roll.